Hello everyone, today we are going to make a potato pancake. Ingredients, just potato and flour is very simple to make. Follow me to see how to make. First cut the potato into thin slices. Then cut the potato into long, thin strips. I don't need to wash the potato strips. Then use 1 big spoon of flour, add some water. Mix it well. Just like this. Add the flour water mix into the potato strips. Mix it well. Add 1 spoon of salt. Add 1 spoon of light soy sauce. Mix it well. If you like eating eggs, you can add eggs as well. You can also add carrot strips, cabbage strips, your favorite vegetables. Heat the oil, heat the pan. Add 1 scoop of potato flour mix. Use medium heat or low heat, fry for 3 minutes. When one side is hot, flip it over. I made 3 potato pancakes this time. Potato pancake is ready. It's very easy to make. Leave me a comment below if you like this type of a simple recipe. I share cooking recipes every day. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.